Hello, my name is Elnazeer Babiker Muhammad, and today I will present my project one from Design Studio One for semester one on the first year, which is July 2021. This is my process book or my portfolio, and my student ID is 10021 10021622250, and I'm an architecture student from School of Architecture and Built Environment. So today I will talk about my project one. This is the introduction. In Design Studio One form play, it contained 3 workshops. All of these 3 workshops started by using the basic elements of point. In workshop one, it looked in the connection of the points that made the lines and planes. In workshop two, contented the basic order of form and using the idea of design principles. In the last workshop, it checked out the use of the form to help doing a model to understand the meaning of space, void, and solve by casting a model with the plaster. So on the first 2 parts of the project, which is the maquette is a small preliminary model. As you can see on the pictures, these are the models, project 1A, project 1B. In this first workshop, we started creating the 2 maquette using the points, lines, and planes method. Both maquettes started using the same beginning, which is about the points, and these points created the lines, and the many lines created the planes at the end. These are some pictures of the models, as you can see, and these are another pictures using the bamboo sticks and the string on and some papers and a thin foam board. In this workshop or in this project, I observed that the points has no length, width, or depth, but if these points connected with other points, it will make a line, and in the end, the lines will create the planes. Both of these projects or these models started with a certain point and ended with the planes. In project 1A, the connection was kind of randomly, but at the end, it made a straight line between the points. But in project 1B, the connection between the points was straight in all the ways. These are pictures of a volume. On the right, you can see the model view, and the left picture, you can see the isometric view of this volume, which is based on the points and lines method. The 9 volumes model, as you can see on the pictures, by using the elements of points, lines, and planes. These are the isometric drawing or project 1C from the previous volumes and drawing them in isometrical way. And going to the operative design or project 1D, this is an example of the operative design, which is the add and displace and subtract. You make a difference in the original model, all the existing volume. Starting with the add, on the left you can see I used the expand method. On the middle I used the merge. On the right I used the extrude. In displace, I used the first method, which is skew on the left. In the middle, I used the bend. On the right, I use the split. on the last part of the operative design, which is subtract. And the first, I use the inscribe. On the middle, or the in second one, I use the curve. On the last one, I use the puncture. Going to the 25 grid form play or project 1E, on the pictures you can see the volumes and the drawing of the cut plan. These volumes started with the original 9 volumes, which I created using the method of the planes and lines. Then I created the 5x5 model using the ordering principles, and filled the gap with an additional volume to create the project 1E. The picture of the drawing is the cut plan of the 25 grid, and I chose the 5th plan to put in this slide. Then going to the sectioning of the plan or project 1F, I have chosen the 5th cut plan and did the hatching in the interesting section to do the casting. The interesting sections are these, and I chose these because I thought when I cast the model, it will give me a good shade and something like that. This is the model on the right after it dried, and it gave me a little bit of shade and the sun. Model casting or project 1G is the last part of the project 1. On this part of the project, I created the model after sectioning the 5th cut plan. Then I gathered the volumes, which are the interesting sections that I have chosen. That means I took the volumes and placed them in the box or the mold that I made using the thin foam board. Then I used 2 kilos of the art plaster to cast the model, and the pictures are the model after it dried. Unfortunately, I didn't record the whole process, but these are some pictures of me doing the model and sending these pictures to my friends while I was doing my model. And this was the last part of the project 1. Thank you for watching my presentation.